Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. I'm here to tell you about an awesome program we've got going right now. If your mower needs repaired or if your mower just needs service work done, we are now running our rapid turnaround service now through April 1st. You can bring your mower in if you need a repair done on a mower. In 24 hours, we will have you a repair quote back. And then if you just need annual service work done on your mower, we can have that mower completely serviced and ready back to you in 48 hours. So look us up online, caldwellequipment.com. Give us a phone call at 636-586-9607. Or go to caldwellservice.com and you can actually schedule your service work right there on the website. Thanks a lot. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for your business.